Okay, now yesterday we went over a video about data types in Excel. We talked about labels that you can enter, numbers, dates, and of course formulas. In this one, I want to go over the fact that the result of a formula could be any three of those data types. We really associate formulas with numbers, and this is okay, but we really want to kind of broaden our vision there with Excel, and we can then apply it to a lot of different situations. So I'm going to show you first with a number. Now, you may be familiar with the sum function. If you're not, I can talk about that in a later video. And guys, feel free to request videos in the comments or send me a message. I'll do video on absolutely anything in the IT world, whether it's a product you want to review on, or a piece of software, or how you use a function in Excel. You just let me know. In any case, I'm going to go ahead and on the Home tab here, click the Auto Sum button. And of course, the result of this formula and this function in Excel is a number. And it added up the numbers. And we have various formulas we can use. I mean, we could quickly put in an average. We could count the numbers. These are very common, and this is almost what we would associate a formula with. When we think formula, we think number. Well, let's go beyond that. So in Excel, let's just say I had all this information typed in, but I want to make it uppercase. Okay, now we don't have a change case feature in Excel, but if I did a formula, and this formula is called, uses a function called upper, and I hit enter, you notice it takes it and goes uppercase. And then because it's a formula, I can of course fill that, and it will fill in the rest of that information. Now, in this case, the result of this formula was a piece of text. So, can be kind of useful. Since we're on the topic of these formulas, you also have one called lower, and lower would do the lowercase of a particular piece of text. You also have one called proper, which will capitalize the first letter. Lastly, let's look at some dates. So if I wanted, let's say, a formula that works with a date, I'm going to type equals today, open bracket, close bracket. When I hit enter, I get the current date. Now this is a formula, so tomorrow, of course, it would update. Let's do another one. But it equals now, open bracket, close bracket, I get the date and the time. If you ever see those number signs, just the column needs to be bigger. So really the point of this video is just kind of open our minds and start thinking of Excel and formulas not just to do with numbers, but also for working with text we might have to handle, or for working with dates that we might have to handle. When we kind of continue on this project 262, I'm going to be going over some specific date functions as well as specific text functions that we can use in our Excel spreadsheets.